can start.
Yep.
Okay, so thank you so much for everybody to come here. We just get this Geodetic Plaque. It has a name, Geodesy in the department. Okay, you know the department used to be called Surveying Engineering, and surveying is an excellent word. Okay, but in the 1990s, the wisdom of our forefathers decided to change the name, and as far as I can tell, they decided to put Geodesy plus something else, and the something else became the word of the moment, which is a very good word, Geomatics, and we call Geodesy and Geomatics engineering. And I remember that time I was a student, and some people say, well, Geodesy is not a good name. Well, I thought that Geodesy is the best name that people can think of. So very few institutions that really deal with Geodesy have Geodesy in the name. There are very few in the world, so UNB is very unique on this. And the other thing that after I became department chair, I realized that the word Geodesy is very good for recruitment. Some people think, oh, it's not good for recruitment. We have to explain what Geodesy is. Well, we have to explain what Geomatics is too. And when I explain what Geodesy is, the science, underlying science in terms of geomatics engineering, you're already saying that we do two things. We do science and we do technology. Okay, and we cannot forget that we actually do some humanities. If we think of the humanities aspects related to cadastral systems and land administration. So we actually do three things. So that's fantastic word for recruitment. Now the history of this plaque, in 2001 there was the hydro camp, and then that was the first time I realized that we were below the ellipsoid. Okay, and then of course the ellipsoid, then realized the ellipsoid crosses here. I said, well, let's paint something to say the ellipsoid crosses here. That was not just me, lots of people saw that, so that's not my idea. But in 2015, I went to the IUGG meeting, International Union of Geodesy and Geophysics, and then I went to this very interesting city of Pilsen in Czech Republic, where they make the Pilsener, the beer. Okay, so walking around, I was with a geodesist, a PhD from here, and we saw this plaque that was marking the reference, the vertical reference over the Czech Republic. At that time, the Kingdom of Bohemia. It is there for 400 years or so. Okay, I said, why can't we do this? So consulting with the faculty, everybody agreed, and we have this plaque, which I hope will last for not 400 years, for 800 years. Until the building is here, the plaque will be there, and we're going to see Geodesy and Geomatics every day. So, thank you very much.